Look here, one product wash and goes might be my new thing. Just saying. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, welcome. I'm Jaisha and today I am coming to you with another product review. Before we get started, if you are new here or if you just keep watching my videos, keep coming back to see, but you are not subscribed, what are you doing with your life? If you don't want to miss a video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, for today's video, we're doing a wash and go. No surprise, right? Don't front, you know that's why you came back. I have another gel for another wash and go. For today's product, today we have the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Gel. Is it Mielle or Mielle? I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. So, of course, I have freshly washed hair. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it so that I don't get dried out. Of course, we are starting with our 4 sections. Nothing new. This is going to be another one product wash and go. I'm only using the gel. I did this in my last review. Not only did I like how the style came out, but I just feel like it gives you a better idea of how the product works on its own. Sometimes when you have leave-ins, it kind of mixes or it doesn't mix well, or you have buildup and it just doesn't, you don't get the full potential of the gel. So I am going to use just the gel. This is what it looks like. Pretty thick. I normally put leave-ins under my gel, but I want to reiterate that my hair is very moisturized. I don't skimp on deep conditioning or moisturizing my hair. So I do recommend normally pairing a leave-in with your gel. You know, when companies come out with new product lines, they usually have like a whole set that comes with like a new shampoo, a gel, a leave-in conditioner, all that stuff. If you have the leave-in that goes with the gel specifically from that product line, that's probably better to use because they were formulated together and probably to be used together, so they probably work well together. But I don't have that. I don't usually buy products together like that. There was a little sale going on the Mielle website. I don't know if y'all caught it, but on Black Friday everything was $6. $6. Well, for Black Friday, for a couple of days, everything on the website was $6. Everything, every single one of their products was $6. So I racked up a little bit. I got some things. I racked up on a few things. This leave-in conditioner wasn't one of them. I don't even know if there is a leave-in conditioner that goes with this gel, but so far we're looking very nice, very juicy, very defined. I like this, and it smells good. It smells pretty Hawaiian-like. The scent definitely matches the name for the Hawaiian ginger scent. It smells very like beachy, tropical. Doesn't smell like ginger. I mean, I don't know what Hawaiian ginger smells like, but this smells very light, airy, fresh, beachy kind of vibes. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. Look here, one product wash and goes might be my new thing. Just saying. Alright, so once my hair is fully dry, I'll come back and show you the final result. Alright, so I am back. My hair is 100% dry, and I have to say, I think we have another winner. So the curls are super defined. There is no frizz. There is no flaking. I'm really impressed with this product. I think this gel turned out great. I don't know if it is because I didn't use a leave-in conditioner, but I might stick to one product wash and goes for a little while because it's just working out. It's working, so we'll see what happens. The next time I use a gel, I'm gonna use a leave-in conditioner just so that I can compare and contrast. Again, if your hair needs the moisture, I don't suggest skipping a leave-in conditioner, but do whatever works for you. This is just an experiment for me for now. So I'm back again with an update. Today is day 3 of my wash and go. So I just wanted to come back and give an update on how this Hawaiian ginger gel is holding up. So the curls are still pretty defined. It still looks really good, but there is some frizz over here on this side, like in the front and over here. And I think this just came from my pineapple last night. My hair got smushed. But I'm going to show you a quick little way that I can just refresh it without having to redo everything. We're just going to go in and put a little bit more gel on the frizzy parts. So get a water bottle and just lightly spray. So you just want your hair to be a little bit damp, not fully wet. And I'm only taking the part that is frizzy, that got messed up. Grab your gel. The same gel, and you can just shingle or finger coil a few of the pieces so that they get their definition back. So boom, that took me less than 5 minutes and we are back in action. And that's it. So sometimes midweek I might have to go in, and if there's too much frizz, just add a little bit more gel to a few pieces like you just saw me do here, but it takes less than 5 minutes if you don't want to have to re-wash your hair or restyle the whole thing. This is a quick little way to just get your curls back. If you don't mind a little bit of frizz, it really doesn't matter. Sometimes I go the whole week without having to refresh. So I do like this gel. I think it did a great job. I would certainly buy it again. I would definitely recommend it. So that's it for my review on the Mielle Organics Hawaiian Ginger Styling Gel. I think it was great. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.